Hello, this is Kathy, and this is the intraday harmonic scenario for ES for Tuesday, April 26th. All right, coming into today, Monday, I was wanting some kind of resolution for either a hold above 86.50 or below 20.75, and didn't really get much of either, right? It did breach below the 20.75, but there was no conviction to hold below it. So we're still in the same boat. Currently, price is testing the AC trend line. Okay, so if it breaches the trend line and can fill the gap at 20.86.25, then I'm probably going to move the triangle point to here. And it is still be a butterfly, but I lost this area of the 68.50 doesn't have as much of a probable bounce point if I'm going to be moving that triangle point to there. Okay. Now, flip side is right now everything is kind of pulling price to the downside, right? It's really a neutral bias, and we are at acceptance area. But let's say there's some oomph. Momentum gets above its midpoint and price is able to hold above this little golden ratio zone, then the implication is that it's going to be forming this leg and the do or die level is going to be that 2105.25. Initial resistance is at the top of the golden ratio zone at 93.75. Okay. Ideally for the downside scenario, I'm going to be looking for this 2029.50 area only because it correlates with the previous low, right? And definitely a scaling point at the 58.50 and 45.75. Now, let's switch over to the profile chart and you can see what is going on. We're back below. Remember on Friday, we closed above that neutral zone of 2080.5 and today we really kind of hung around down there, which is acceptance. There's a composite high volume node there at the 75.25, and it really just kind of hung around here. And if you'll go backwards to the 418 profile, there was some unfinished business there, and today did a great job of filling in a lot of that imbalance, right? So now we still need a decision if we're going to hold above or below that 2081 area, okay, this yellow neutral zone, because a hold above it implies a return to 85.75, and that each one of these zones is an important level, and you can even add a red zone at the 93.25. Didn't that correlate with something? Yeah, golden ratio is on top. Okay, so yeah, there's definitely that's going to be an area of interest. Okay, if price can get back inside that golden ratio zone. All right. If price pulls back below the 2080.50, then there's still potential chop within this region between the two yellow zones, and it's really not until price can hold below that 2067 would it increase the probability of getting to that 2040.25. And that's going to correlate with my butterfly target, right? Okay, enjoy.